Hi there, I've put a little video together, some video and some photos of a CCTV job I've done recently. It's some cameras and some security PIR lights in a car park for a friend of mine's soon-to-be work offices. See what you think. So we're going to have some lights and cameras going along this wall and providing some security on the entrance of this building here. That's the van, lovely. So yeah, so it's quite a fair bit to do. They're going to run all the cameras in Conduit, 20mm Conduit. So the data cable is going to go through in Conduit, and they're going to have a separate run of Conduit for the power cable for the PIR lights, because that's what you've got to do. Hello, right, okay, bit of an update for you. It's a nice sunny day, but it has been raining, so weather doesn't want to make its mind up. But just an update. So we've got a new line of the conduit going across the top, which is going to be feeding some PIR lights as well to accompany the CCTV. Now these lights are going to be caged in as well, but they're on order, they're still yet to arrive, so yeah. Okay, so final update for you. It's all finished, and here we are. So yeah, we've got cameras up in cages, and we've got security lights all up in cages. They're not the prettiest things, but this isn't for a domestic purpose, it's for commercial really. It's a car park for some work offices, but it looks nice with the cameras and everything in cages. All protected from vandals. And it runs right round and into the main building. There we are. All done.